Okay, guys, let's pick up where we were. Let's take a look at the Zippo. Harley Davidson motorcycle. It says American Steel right there. It's just chrome. I really like it though. Still sealed. It's gonna stay that way. Got your paperwork. Let's take a look at the little pin that comes with the kit set. If I can. I haven't ever taken a look at it and got it out, but we will. Okay, here's the pin. Hold on, guys, it's taking a minute. Okay. It says ride to live and live to ride on it. Right there. On the wings, like. It's got a skull and some wings. It's just a little hat pin or coat pin. But that was the Kuwait Desert Storm Zippo set I showed you first, and the Harley Davidson American Steel set. I don't got much else to say, so have a good day. Peace out.